this baby. What do you guys think? Thomas here, mgmclassiccars.com, coming to you from Addison, Illinois. And I have the pleasure of showing you this 1969 Pro Touring Camaro. And we'll talk a little bit further about that Pro Touring part. Beautiful showroom quality finish on the entire vehicle. Excellent paints, white rally stripes matching the white vinyl top, no bubbling. Like I said, brand new car, excellent chrome throughout. Real RS car because of the reverse lights under the bumper. That's an indication. Okay, beautiful US mag. Let me get my thoughts straight here. They're US mag Rambler wheels. 4-wheel power disc brakes all the way around the car. Excellent fit and finish. Isn't that a bad boy? Yes, it is. Wait till I pop that hood. But I'll do that at the end. Let's get it a little bit brighter. Look at that thing, man. We got a whole mess of cars here, guys, at mgmclassiccars.com. Definitely check us out online. But getting back to my baby here. Woo-hoo. Check out these door jambs. Beautiful, excellent, like new, is new interior. Nice package tray, nice headliner. Beautiful dash setup. Dash pad is new. Center console. Seat belts in the front. Door panels are excellent. Inner outer door jambs look like new. Guys, this is a fresh restoration. Okay. I'm gonna bump the key. I'm gonna show you the trunk. So, square key is for the ignition. Round key is for the trunk. All right. Real quick, it's where you put your fuel, right in there. Okay. Trunk is finished excellent. Guys, ready? Bam! LS1. Check out my description for all details that I know about this build. Look at that. 4-wheel power disc brake setup. Chrome booster, chrome master cylinder, upper and lower tubular control arms. This will get all detailed, really nice. Car just came in. Chrome alternator. Aluminum headed motor out of a Corvette, obviously. Red Optima battery. Connected to a 4L60 automatic overdrive transmission. And that's bolted to a 12-bolt posi rear end unit. Man, is this thing nice, guys. Perfect Valentine gift for someone, for your sweetheart. Right, honey? Let's get in this car. So because of the fuel injection system, you don't have to pump the gas. Just turn the key. No horn. I do point everything out. When you put your left turn signal on, I don't see anything clicking, so it tells me that the turn signals are not functioning from the inside, but they do function from the outside. Okay, let's check out the passenger side. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everything there. I like to be transparent on everything. No surprises. Listen to the exhaust. Let me rev this thing up a little bit. Oh boy. Wipers, when I turn them on, they don't work. Okay, so I'm gonna take care of that and take care of the horn, but I just want to be transparent and let you guys know. Heat and defrost is inoperable. We're gonna hook that up. Okay, so once again, my 1969 Camaro Pro Touring LS1 4L60 overdrive trans, 12-bolt posi, bucket seat, console gauge car, upgraded suspension, full restoration on this bad boy. If you guys need financing, you'll need a credit score of between, let's say, 650 and 725. You'll also be required to put down 10%. And if your credit score is 725 and higher, most likely I can get you done with no money down with a 15-minute loan approval. So I got a half a dozen banks that I work with to get that done. If you need transportation, oh, that right rear tail light is out, that will be taken care of as well. If you need transportation, call me, email me, text me your zip code, and I'll get that going. If you guys are serious about buying the car, call me. Okay, let's put a deposit on PayPal for $500 and get the deal done. My PayPal is bestofbest71@yahoo.com. Don't send anything. Let's make sure that this car is available first. Okay, because they do sell pretty quick. So again, you have all my information. I would love to take you guys out for a test drive, but it's December here, and I'm not taking this car out in the weather. So again, my name's Thomas. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching, mgmclassiccars.com.